Nagarathar Chamber of Commerce. Sail to prosper.
So, but you are all very small children. I will never ask you to give up all your wants. There is no, I mean, there is no fun here without chocolate, without movies. There is no fun. We should have fun in life. So, what we should do, we should surely have all these things, but in small measure. Like Chandar, he spent only 2,000, right? He didn't spend more. Like that, we also should spend and we should have fun, right? Don't think that we can never have any fun in life. Please do have fun, but it should be in a small measure, not too much. Okay? Now we go to the next one. So far, we have talked so many things, how money comes in and how money goes out, how we have got many of us has got some dreams. Can some more people tell the dreams? Some more dreams. Yeah, tell me the dream.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, two people can tell dreams. So far, who has not told? Two people can tell the dreams.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, tell.
I want to be an athlete.
Athlete.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. One more person can tell the dream. One more dream, please.
Ma'am, I want to be a pediatric.
Pediatric. Oh, very good. You want to take care of the children.
Yes.
That is very good. So, see, whatever may be your dream, whatever may be your passion, you need money to become that. Okay, if you want to join a college, you require money. For that, if you want the money and spend whatever income is there, if you are going to spend, how will you go to your college? How will you go to your profession? What can anybody do? So we have to save money, and parents will always try to save money. We should be of help to them. If it is possible, you get me. Okay, you don't get me 10, you get me 2. And the madri, you have to reduce your wants. Okay, then only we can save. What is the first step of saving? Already you children may be saving. What is the first step? Here itself the picture is there.
Piggy bank. Piggy bank.
It is the piggy bank. Yeah, it is the piggy bank that normally all of us have. Enga veetla kuda naangala when we were very small young children, enga parents they used to give us nanu enga akka enga anna மூணு பேர் இருந்தோம் வீட்ல. எங்க மூணு பேருக்கும் ஆளுக்கு ஒரு உண்டியல், that is clay piggy bank கொடுப்பாங்க. So every time I do a small chore for mummy, I'll collect money and I'll put it there in the clay hundi. What happens on December 31st, all three of us will sit together, we'll break open the clay pot and then we will count our money and we will give it to our daddy. He will put it in the bank in our name. That was the practice. Every year, December 31st, we will have a competition. Who has got more money? I have got more money. I have collected more money. Like that, we used to fight with each other. How will we get money? Normally in those days, பெரியவங்கலாம் வருவாங்க வீட்டுக்கு, தாத்தா பாட்டி, they used to come. No, please wait. When I ask you only, you have to tell. Wait. So, when in those days,
by saving piggy bank.
Yeah,
by saving by piggy bank, end of the year we will put it in our bank account.
Exactly right, Annamalai. So we are talking about that only. Okay. So நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? We are putting it in the piggy bank. Normally தீபாவளி, பொங்கல் அது மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் வந்துச்சுனாக்க, festivals எல்லாம் வந்துச்சுனா, parents will give us money. They will திருநாறு பூசுவாங்கல்ல வீட்ல, அம்மா அப்பாலாம் ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணி திருநாறு பூசுவாங்கல்ல, அப்ப பூசும்போது they will put some money in our piggy bank. தாத்தா பாட்டி எல்லாம் they will put money in our piggy bank. So like that we used to collect a lot of money. On December 31st we will open it and we put it in the bank. And the madri, I know all of you also may be having piggy banks, maybe not a clay one, you may be having a plastic one. Today plastic piggy banks are available. So and the madri பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். But what are the problems with piggy banks? The piggy bankல ஒரு problem, the clay piggy bankல ஒரு problem இருக்கு. What are the problems with piggy banks? Somebody different, not the same people. Somebody different can tell, not the same people. Please, somebody else, please. Somebody else can tell.
Annamalai, yes ma'am.
No, you have told me already. Somebody else? You told. Somebody else? Somebody else can tell? What is the problem with the clay bank?
We save money.
Somebody said it can be broken easily. So it can be broken.
We can put the money in the bank. By saving a bank account, we in 12th standard.
Ma'am, it can be easily broken.
Some problem with the audio? Tell me.
Ma'am, it's easily broken.
It's just 1 minute. யாராச்சும் ஒருத்தர் பேசும்போது please don't talk. Others please remain silent. அப்பதான் அவர் பேசுறது கேட்கும் உங்களுக்கு.
And என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு? clay bankல என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு? Somebody said correctly, break ஆயிடும். அது சீக்கிரமா பிரேக் ஆயிடும். நிறைய காயின்ஸ் போட்டோம்னா பிரேக் ஆயிடும். அப்புறம் சப்போஸ் நம்ம கவனிக்காம எங்கயாவது வச்சிட்டோம்னா அதை யாரனா தூக்கிட்டு போயிடவும் சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. somebody may take it away. இன்னொரு ப்ராப்ளம் என்னன்னா, if you have put some money inside, you can't take it out. Whenever you want some money, you can't take it out. One more problem is, whatever money you have put there, 100 rupees if you put, it will remain as 100. It will not grow. Money has to grow. Money should not be idle. But in a clay bank, it will be idle. It will not grow. So as children, it is okay. We will not have much money, 1000 rupees, maximum 500 rupees. If you put it in a clay bank, it is okay. But when you have more money, when you are working, when your parents are working, they need to keep their money somewhere. For that, the first step that people use is the bank. So normally people use banks as the clay bank that we are having. This is the first step of saving. So we will see more things about bank. Bank will, what is special about bank is safety. It will have lot of safety. Bayame pada vendam. Somebody will take away the clay bank, but in the real bank, money will be safe. Liquidity. Whenever you want, you can go and withdraw. If the money is there in your account, you can go and withdraw. Liquidity is there. Return means interest. They will give us more interest. If there, suppose you have got 1000 rupees in your account, you will get 50 rupees by the end of the year. So like that, you will get, money will grow to a certain extent. So that are the services offered by banks. Are safe, liquid, and it has interest also. And normally, what is the basic activity of a bank? What is the basic activity of a bank? One person can tell me. What is the basic activity of a bank? Basic activity. Somebody wants to tell? The basic activity of the bank is, tell me, Karthik. Okay. Basic activity is, we can, tell me.
Security.
No, that we have talked. No, security is there, safety is there. What is the basic activity of bank? What do they do? What do they do? Bank la enna pandranga?
If you want money, they will withdraw and give it to us. And if you want to deposit, we can deposit.
Exactly right. They will take money from us. Whatever extra money that we are having, நம்ம வீட்ல நிறைய extra பணம் இருந்தா, we take it to the bank, and the bank will accept the deposit. And there will be some needy people. They want money for a house construction, for education, for buying a car. For all that, banks will give a loan to that person. So for us depositors, they will give 5% interest. From the loan people, they will get 7% interest. There is a difference of 2%, which the bank will take for their own expenses and profit. So that is the basic activity of a bank, taking money, deposit from people and giving loans to people. So that's the basic activity. Banks are doing so many other things. All that we will not worry, but the basic bank எதுக்கு வந்தது அப்படின்னா they will take deposits, they will give you loans. Okay, now bankல என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். bankல savings account இருக்கு. ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுங்க, யாராவது ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுங்க savings accountனா என்னது? Somebody tell me. What is a savings account? What is a savings account?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is going to tell me.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
By keeping safe in home.
Pardon?
accounting saving our money.
It is there for us to save our money. Whenever we want, we can withdraw. Whenever we want, we can put. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
save in the current situation, savings account helps us for whenever we want, we can take money from the savings.
Exactly right. Exactly right. That is a very special feature of savings bank. Whenever we want money, we can take from there if we have it in the account.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next feature is recurring deposit. How many of you know about recurring deposit? If you don't know, you can ask your dad or mom, or you can Google and find out what is a recurring
What
deposit.
is recurring deposit?
We can put in post office account.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Every month, like small
Ma'am.
amount.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am.
Tell me. I'm waiting.
Post office. In post
Ma'am, we can put the money in post office also.
Yeah, post office is also like a bank only. But in bank, there is something called RD, recurring deposit. What do they do in recurring deposit? Yeah, RD is recurring deposit. In RD, what they do is they will accept only once in a month. They will not accept every day. They will not accept money every day. In RD, it is a special deposit.
5 years plan.
They will accept money once in a month. Yeah.
With the 5 years plan.
5 years.
Pardon?
5 years plan.
What's it?
5 years plan.
5 years.
5 years. Okay. 5 years plan is there in RD. Yes, you're right. You're right. So you know what an RD is. It is not like a savings bank. You cannot take out whenever you want. For 5 years, 3 years, like that, you have to put every month, you have to pay. So next comes fixed deposit. Can anyone tell me what is a fixed deposit? FD.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
Depositing money for some time.
What is an FD? FD na enna?
Depositing money for some time.
Yeah. For a fixed amount of time, you put a deposit and it earns you more interest. Tell me.
It gives more interest than the regular.
Exactly right. Very good. It gives more interest. FD gives more interest than the other deposit. Yeah, tell me.
It is for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months.
Yeah. It is the time is fixed. That is why it is called a fixed deposit. The time limit is fixed. The next comes loans. What are the loans given by banks? What kinds of loans? they are giving?
Housing loan, agriculture loans, personal loans.
Tell me some more.
Agriculture loans,
Yeah.
Loans.
gold loans,
Gold loans.
Loans.
Education.
Education.
vehicle loans,
Vehicle loans.
Business loans.
Business loans.
education loans,
Education loans.
Home loans.
Home loans. Very good. Home loans. We are getting so many kinds of loans from the banks. I don't get you.
Kassamadu.
Pasumadu. Correct. Adudan. I didn't get you at all. Pasumadu. That is the sign of wealth. Because whenever there is a Graha Pravesham and all, you might have seen. First, they'll bring the Pasumadu inside. Right? So it has got all the gods in it. That is why we worship this. So in which country pig is the sign of wealth? China. You are right. So next question. I think this also I have sent it to you. How many languages appear in an Indian currency?
17. 15.
Yeah.
19.
Pardon?
17. 17.
Somebody said 17. Somebody said 19. Somebody said 15. Which is the right answer?
17.
I'm 17.
Okay. 17 is the right answer because 15 names are printed there. Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, everything is printed. But there are two more languages. One is Hindi and one is English. So 17 is the correct answer. Next one. Can you just go to ATM whenever you want money?
No.
No. ATM means anytime money, no?
Yes.
Why you can't go?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, sir, you can go. Can you go or can you not go?
Yes, can you?
Yes, ma'am. We can go.
Anytime you want.
No.
Tell me.
Ma'am.
Ah. No is the right answer. Only if you have got money in your account, you can go to an ATM and withdraw. Unga account la paisa illena, how can you withdraw in an ATM? Only if you have saved enough money in your account, you can go to an ATM. Even though it is anytime money, money should be there in your account. Okay? Then next question. This I have not sent you. Let me see. Why piggy bank is called piggy? It looks like a pig or it is made of piggy clay. Which is the right answer? Some new person has to tell. No repetitions, please.
It is made of piggy clay.
Yeah, you are right. So it is made from piggy clay. The clay with which they were doing it is called a piggy clay. Later, the shape itself became like a pig. So piggy banks are called piggy banks. You are right. Currency note is made up of cotton, polyester, paper.
Paper. Paper.
If it is so simple as paper, why should I ask you? If it is so simple as paper, why should I ask you?
Currency note is made up of polyester.
Polyester? It is made up of polyester?
Yes.
Somebody else? Any other answer is there?
Ma'am, cotton.
Why do you say it is cotton? It doesn't feel like cotton.
Just I said, ma'am.
Okay, but you are right. You are a very lucky person. You have got the right answer by chance. So currency note is made up of cotton. It is made up of cotton, not of polyester or of paper. It is not at all of paper. It is cotton. Question is, the best savers in the world are Indians, Chinese, Americans. Who save the most?
Indians.
Wow, very
American.
Americans. Okay. Any more guesses?
Indians.
Indian. Then
The best savers in the world. India, China.
the best savers in the world are
Indians.
Indians.
America.
Okay. Then I will tell the answer. The best savers in the world right now are Chinese. They are much ahead of us. Previously, we Indians used to be very good savers. Today, Chinese are saving more than us. Soon, because you people are getting the personal finance awareness, we will all become number one again, right?
Yes.
Now we go to the next question. What is the name of Russian currency? Dollar, ruble, or euro? What is the name of Russian currency? Dollar, ruble, or euro?
Ruble.
Ruble is the right answer. Okay. Somebody else new has to come. The people should not repeat. New people have to come for answering. Which is the largest bank in India? SBI, RBI, HDFC Bank.
RBI.
RBI is the largest bank.
SBI.
Yeah, SBI is the largest bank, not RBI. RBI is like a regulator. They are not very big or anything. They are very medium sized only. SBI is the largest bank. SBI is the largest bank. Children, please be silent. In which other country Indian rupee is formally accepted?
Sri Lanka.
Japan, Zimbabwe, France. Only within these three you have to answer. In which other country Indian rupee is formally accepted? Japan, Zimbabwe, France. இந்த மூணுல எந்த கண்ட்ரில அக்செப்ட் பண்றாங்க? Number 2 is right. Zimbabwe is correct. In Zimbabwe, Indian rupee is formally accepted. You need not convert it to some other currency. You can right away go and pay in Indian rupee.
Okay.
Does RBI give loans to people?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody has taken a loan from RBI? No, they will give loans only to banks. They will not give loans to people. Okay, it is the apex authority. அது வந்து இருக்கிறதுலே அதான் ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம். அவங்க தான் மேனேஜ் பண்ணுவாங்க எல்லா பேங்க்ஸையும். சோ அவங்க பேங்க்ஸ்க்கு தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. They don't give it to people like us. Ringgit is the currency of Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yes. Everybody seems to know. Very good, very good. Which country has the highest reserve in gold? India, China?
India.
Oh, we have the highest reserve in gold?
China.
America. Hey, you cannot keep on telling everything, man. You have to stick to one answer.
China.
India.
China.
India.
I'm waiting.
India.
America.
Dubai.
Okay.
Dubai.
I will tell you.
Dubai.
The country that has the highest reserve in gold is not
Dubai.
even Dubai. Not even Dubai. Dubai, they have got lot of malls that gold souks are there. But even they don't have so much reserve in gold. Only America. America is the richest country. Because of that, they are having the highest reserve in the form of gold. Okay. With that, I would like to end this session. Before that, I would like to thank all of you people who have been cooperating so well and it made it a success. And I would like to thank the Nagarathar Chamber of Commerce also for giving me this opportunity. Before leaving, if you have got to ask me anything, you can ask.
Ma'am,
10 minutes are left. We can talk something.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please ask.
Madam, can you please switch off the screen share, madam?
Okay, sir.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, why RBI doesn't give loans to people?
Just a moment, I'll tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, Mr. Ganeshan? Is it okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Why RBI is not giving loan to people?
Yes,
RBI is there to control the other banks. See, if they start giving loans to people, they cannot concentrate on the banks, right? So they have to control the banks. Banks, you give it here, you give it there. Like that, they have got lot of work to do. If they start giving it to people also, they cannot concentrate. That is why their duty is totally different, right? Not everybody can do the same thing.
Can I know when is the next session?
Next session, I don't know. கொஞ்சம் பெரியவங்க ஆன பிறகு you will be able to understand more, right? You like it? You like the session?
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. I'll take it as a compliment. Yes.
Baba.
Indian rupees can be sold except Zimbabwe.
Pardon?
Ma'am, in which countries Indian rupees can be sold except Zimbabwe?
No, there are many countries informally accepting Indian rupee, but Zimbabwe alone is accepting formally without conversion. In many countries, many other countries, Nepal, Malay, everywhere else, they accept it informally, but not formally. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I like your section.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I like your section.
I'm not getting you.
I
Getting.
Okay, there is a question, madam. They have asked you to explain recurring deposit again.
Yeah, recurring deposit. It is given by banks and post office. It is something between savings bank and fixed deposit. In fixed deposit, only once in a first time you have to put some money, leave it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and after 3 years you take it. 3 years or 5 years, whenever you want, you take it back. In savings bank account, every day you can go put money. Once in a month you can take out money also. So there are two different types: savings bank and fixed deposit. Recurring deposit is something in the middle. In recurring deposit, you can open it for minimum period is 1 year, maximum period is 10 years. So for 1 year, if you open, every month, only once in a month, they will accept deposit. That is the speciality of recurring deposit. In savings bank, every day also you can put money. In fixed deposit, you can never put money after you have put it once. In a recurring deposit, RD, every month you can put money. It is suitable for children like you. Whenever you get some money from your parents, every month a fixed amount can be put in the recurring deposit. Normally, if you put 100 or 200 or 500, you decide to put the same amount only, you can keep on accumulating there every month, and a particular date also you have to choose. Before that date, you have to put it in the bank. Suppose I want to save 1,000 rupees every month by 10th of that month. Before 10th, I have to put 1,000 rupees in my account, RD account. I keep it for 5 years. After 5 years, I will get 60,000 rupees, whatever money I have put, along with interest. That itself will become more than 30,000 rupees. So it's a very good way of saving regularly. In SB, you are tempted to take it out. In SB, you will want to take it out. When you put some money today, tomorrow you will want to take it out. In RD, you cannot do that. You have to keep on accumulating. That is the difference between RD, FD, and savings bank.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you explain me about
What you mean by fixed deposit?
post?
Please, only one person talk, please. One of you.
Ma'am, can you explain about loans?
About loans. Okay, it's a very vast area. Let me put it. Yeah, I'll talk about it.
Ma'am, how many rupees is save every month?
No, first of all, somebody asked about loans. That I will tell them. Okay. First, I will talk about loans, and then I will talk about how much you have to save every month. First, loans. There are so many different kinds of loans. நிறைய type இருக்கு loansல. நீங்களே சொன்னீங்க, so many types that you explain, no? You told lot of loans, vehicle loan, you told education loan, அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய சொன்னீங்க, home loan. So உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது for buying something, you can save some money. For example, for a vehicle, for a car, you need 5 lakhs. You have got 1 lakh with you, but you want to buy a car today. So you can take a loan from a bank. If you have 1 lakh with you, they will give you the rest of the 4 lakhs. For that 4 lakhs, you have to pay them interest. Every month, you have to pay back along with interest. They will give you some 5 years period. Within that period, you have to pay back the loan. Then only again they can give you loan, right? So this is vehicle loan. Like that, in every category, there are a lot of kinds of loans are there. For each category, there will be a time period, there will be an interest. All that we have to do. Somebody asked me how much money you have to save every month, right? That depends upon what your parents say. Your parents may say, okay, you have to save every month 500, because they are going to give you the money, right? They are going to give you, they may give you 500, they may give you 1,000, but when you become a big boy, and go for a job, suppose you want to know how much you have to save, the ideal thing between 20 to 30%. Between 20 to 30% of your income, you have to save. Suppose you are having a income of 10,000 rupees, you have to save 2,000 to 3,000. That is the calculation. Not now. When you are young people, it is up to them, up to the parents. When you earn on your own, try and save 20 to 30%. Yes. I didn't get your name. Tell me.
Ma'am, in which country is the sign of wealth? I searched in the Google, ma'am. The answer is Germany only. It was put in. It was put, ma'am.
China,
But it
China.
was China.
China.
Okay,
Even
ma'am.
I
Thanks,
actually
ma'am.
I also googled it only. I don't know by myself. I went to Google and searched. They said in China it's a year, the pig is the sign of wealth. Even 2019 was a year of pig for them. So they said that 2019 will be a very, very wealthy year for them. So it says China.
Thank you, ma'am.
I will also look
Just
again. I
ma'am.
don't know. I may be wrong because only what Google says I am telling. Yeah. Anything else?
Annamala, you wanted to ask something?
Ma'am, I want to ask a question.
Tell me.
Ma'am, what is fixed deposit?
Fixed deposit.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
want to ask
Yeah,
some
fixed deposit is.
question. What is fixed deposit?
Yeah, fixed deposit is. Fixed deposit is. Suppose you have lot of money on hand. It is very dangerous to keep it in your house. So you go and keep it as a deposit in a bank. They will give you more interest than SB, more interest than RD. They will give you interest for fixed deposit. You leave it for a fixed period, you take it back with more interest. That is fixed deposit.
Nitya, you wanted to ask something? Nitya Mayappan.
Sir, why they all of them why all of them are getting loans in banks?
Where else can you get?
We can get like something like the
Like what?
from people like loans.
From people. They should be ready to give you no. They will be afraid, oh, this boy, he may take my money and go away. They may be afraid, they may not give you, or they themselves may not have money to give. See, banks have money because we are all going and depositing. Suppose you go and ask somebody else, they should be having money, no. What if they cannot give you? They may be having their own problems. They also require loan. How will they give you? So that is why banks are having lot of money, they are giving loans. Okay.
Raja, you want to ask something? Raja?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, in which country is lion the sign of wealth?
I don't know. I had to go on Google and search. Can you tell me in which country lion is the sign of wealth? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. That's why I'm asking you.
Okay, we will search. All of us, this will be the homework for us. Okay. We will search in which country lion is the sign of wealth.
I actually wanted to ask even snake.
Snake? I don't know. Why you're so fond of... Yeah, tell me.
Kalyani, you wanted to ask something?
Ma'am, sir, how do we know that Indian Bank is from that time? Is from the past?
Yeah, it is there for more than nearly 80-90 years. If you go and search in the Google, if you just type Indian Bank, it will tell you since how many years it is there, who has who has started it, how it is running, how many branches are there, how many people are working, how much money is there in the account, in the bank, how much loan they have given. All that will come in the internet. Google search.
Thank you, ma'am.
Veerappan from London, you wanted to ask something?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I've never touched the Indian currency. So how can you make a note with cotton, ma'am?
Yeah, that is what they say. They have made a special arrangement. 75% of cotton they use and 25% of linen they take, and they call it paper rag. With this 25% of linen and 75% of cotton, they have got some process which we do not know. Which if you and me know, we can make paper currency, no? So that is why they have got a secret method of doing currency out of cotton.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Anvika, you had a question. Anvika?
Ma'am, we are depending on the bank so much for loans and everything. But what if the bank becomes bankrupt?
Good question. Normally, bank people will be very, very careful not to give loans to bad people. who run away with the loans. Normally they'll be careful, but sometimes everybody makes mistake, right? So at that time, government is there. Government will take care of us. Government has given insurance that is called DICGC, deposit insurance. So whatever money you have put up to 5 lakhs in a bank, it is insured. Banks will never go bankrupt. If at all they go bankrupt, government will take efforts to merge it with some other bank, and somehow they will try to revive the bank. They will not allow it to go bankrupt. Suppose it goes bankrupt, insurance is there, DICGC is there, the corporation is there, up to 5 lakhs, they will give you. So what you should do, in one bank, you should not keep more than, in one bank, you should not keep more than
Some money. You have to keep less money.
what money? How much?
2 lakhs?
No, because up to 5 lakhs, there is a, up to 5 lakhs, they are insuring you, right? So up to 5 lakhs, very happily you can keep. Because if at all something goes wrong, government is, insurance is going to give you 5 lakhs. Okay? And in a bank, suppose there are 5 people in your house, you can keep 5 lakhs in each name. So all are insured. You need not worry at all. Okay?
Ramanathan Raghav, you wanted to ask something?
There's another reason why you can't go to ATMs every time, right?
What's it?
Sometimes ATMs are closed for like.
I didn't get you. What's it?
There's another reason why you can't go to ATMs every time.
No, he wants to know why you can't go to the ATM every time.
Okay.
I think there's another reason.
No, there is not any other reason. ATM, if you have money in your account, you can always go. But suppose there is no money in the account, how will you go and withdraw? Just because ATM is there, you can't go. ATM is anytime money, provided there is balance in your account, right?
Okay. There is, okay, we'll take a last question from Petta Perumal.
Yeah.
Petta Perumal, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please ask your question. Yeah.
I have been completed, sir. I have been already.
What idea?
I have already asked you.
Ask me.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have already asked her. Okay.
Okay, good. Ravindranathan, are you there? Yeah.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Thank you all. Last இந்த கிட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணிருந்தோம் 9 to 30 இயர்ஸ்க்கு. அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமோட ஃபீட்பேக் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. அதனால இந்த வாரம் கண்டினியூ பண்ணிக்க வேணும் கிட்ஸ்க்கு பண்றதுக்குன்னு. அவங்க வந்து சுந்தர் ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஸோ பர்சனல் ஃபைனான்ஸை பத்தி இன்கம் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ், ஸ்டோரி ஆஃப் மணி, அப்புறம் ட்ரீம்ஸ், நீட் அண்ட் வாண்ட், பேங்க்ஸ், பிஸ்ட், Q&A எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. தேங்க்யூ மேடம் ஃபார் திஸ் வண்டர்ஃபுல் செஷன். ஐ தேங்க் ஆல் தி பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ். அப்புறம் என்சிசில இருந்து கணேசன் சுப்பையா ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணது எங்க டீம் ஷான், அழகு நாராயணன். ஐ தேங்க் ஆல் தி. தேங்க்யூ.
And I wish you all the very best, children. All the very best.